Good evening, friends. In today's class, let us move for next topic. Okay. So in today's class, let us move for inductive method and deductive method. So here some of the important steps that are involved in inductive method: recognition of the problem, searching for data, organization of data, framing tentative solutions, and elimination. These are the most important steps that are involved in inductive method. Here both the inductive and the deductive method both have some of the important procedures of the systematic approaches to help in the problem solving. And another one is verification. Okay, that also comes under inductive method. Here in case of inductive method, we see here the problem recognition, and also here after problem recognition we see here for the searching of data. So here data searching also most important in inductive method. After searching that data, we are going towards the step of data organization. Data organization. So after data organization, we can go for the framing of the tentative solutions. So you have to frame the tentative solutions. After we can go for the elimination, which steps here, which are the important and which are not important, that must we want to eliminate. After here verification, that is the last step is verification. Okay, so here these are the most important steps. One is recognition of the problem, searching for data, organization of the data, framing tentative solutions, elimination, and the verification. These are the most important of the inductive steps. So here next is steps in deductive method. So here which are the most important steps are involved in case of deductive method means here one is recognition of the problem. Again here we want to recognition. Again we can go for the searching for data. Again we can go for the reviewing, and after we go for the formulation of some of the inferences. What are the that is some of the important inferences we can to formulate, and after last one, that is the last step is the verification. Both here in case of the inductive and deductive same. Okay, that is the problem recognition and data searching, organizing the data. That is how here so that is after recognition of the problem we can go for the searching for the data, and after searching for the data we can go for the organization of the some of the important data, and we can frame out some of the tentative solutions and elimination, and after we can go for verification. So like that we can follow the important steps. Okay, so here next is the steps in that is deductive method. Okay, what are the important steps in deductive method? Here one is the recognition of the problem. Okay, and next for the searching for data, reviewing, formulation of inferences, and the verification. Okay, so here next is team teaching. What is team teaching? Here cooperation is very important. It is one of the important cooperation. Team teaching, entire overall field of education. Okay, two or more teachers make a plan of the subjects. That is called team teaching. Here in team, teacher gives a lectures to a big class. On every working, all the members of the team have a common assembly. Here they discuss the methods used by the fellow teachers. So this is about what? Overall cooperating with one another's with the field of education, one to one discuss and they want to give some of the important classes, that is called here team teaching. Next one is micro teaching. So here the micro teaching is one of the important innovative teaching technique. It is a new development in the field of teaching. That is here the term micro teaching was first coined by Dwight Allen of Stanford University in 1963. So what are the features of the micro teaching? Here it is a teacher training technique. Okay, teacher training technique. Here a teacher, he want to train some of the techniques and also focuses on developing teaching skills. Teaching skills. What are the important teaching skills? He or she want to develop more accuracy level. Then here it reduces some of the class size in 5 to 10 students. Then the size of the topic also reduced. Then micro teaching is a highly individualized training skill. Okay, it will provide the feedback for trainees performance, and it is an effective device to prepare competent teachers. So in this technique, learners are provided with immediate knowledge of the correctness of the response. Okay, so here these are the features. Then here some of the important steps in the micro teaching as follows. One is defining the skill, next is demonstrating the skill and planning the lesson. Okay, and then after planning the lesson, here is teaching the lesson, discussion, replanning, reteaching and rediscussion, and repeating the cycle until the desired level of skill is achieved. So these are the most important steps in micro teaching. So we will discuss some more topics about micro teaching in our next class. Thank you.